Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Cressi Corsica Snorkel. So very traditional J-style snorkel, nothing overly fancy, doesn't have valves and things and splash guards and all that kind of stuff. It's just a traditional snorkel, simple tube. A lot of divers nowadays, especially sort of advanced sort of either free divers and even scuba divers, they prefer a more basic snorkel, but depends on your preference really. Let's take a closer look. So this is how it arrives, in a plastic bag, unfortunately, but yeah, very simple packaging. You get a little bit of a book of words that goes with it, and then you get the snorkel itself. Book of words, yeah, it's a snorkel. It's just going to be the safety about snorkels, how to use a snorkel properly. So taking a closer look at the snorkel itself. So the first thing of note is that the snorkel itself is flexible. So it's not a rigid tube, but it's sort of semi-rigid. It's still holding its shape. It will bend if you put it in your kit bag or something and something does bend. It will kind of squish down, but actually it's quite hard to really close that airway. You can probably fold it all the way, but if it's on your head, it's pretty rare that that's going to happen. But it's nice in that packing it away, you're not going to break it. The only rigid thing really is that snorkel keeper that hooks onto your mask. The mouthpiece is a separate piece of softer silicone, so it's a bit more comfortable. But yeah, up at the top, so slightly angled, so it's a bit of a wave deflector, but realistically it's just an open tube. Sort of water that sort of gets around it will end up going into the snorkel. Moving down the body of the snorkel, slight bend, slight curve to it, so it's going to wrap around the side of your head. You get the snorkel keep, which can move up and down depending on where you want it, or you can remove it altogether. It's not sort of fixed, or you could just slide it off at the top. And then onto the mouthpiece itself, yeah, much softer, pliable silicone, so it's a bit more comfortable, and a minimalist sort of mouthpiece on that. Small little bite points, and other than that, very simple, traditional, classic snorkel style. And that's the Cressi Corsica Snorkel. Very simple, nothing overly fancy. One thing that I do like is that it is semi-rigid, so it does allow for a bit of movement, a bit of flexibility. Otherwise, if it's too rigid, if you put too much sort of force on it, it can break. But nice and flexible, and you're on for a winner. There'll be more information on our website, SimplyScuba.com. There'll be a link to the Corsica Snorkel down in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it from us at Simply Scuba. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.